So my name is Novak, and I own and am CEO of Novak Applied Technologies. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start out talking about glass just a little bit, just to get everybody on the same page. The good thing with glass is it's infinitely recyclable, with no real loss to quality. The bad, it's not widely accepted. Broken glass is dangerous, it's difficult to sort. I've already had stitches once. It's heavy compared to other materials, not easily transported, and it's limited on its secondary markets. So far, Michigan recycles about 53% of its 135,000 tons of glass that's collected. So that keeps roughly 71,000 tons out of the landfills. But there are a couple problems. Problem one is material values vary widely depending on color and contamination. The other issue is the northern half of the state is underserviced due to the distance from the existing markets. That's where we come in. There's a couple solutions that we offer. Manufacturing products from the collected glass and packaging the material in smaller units to increase the material value. We create new markets for recycled glass and partner with surrounding facilities to increase the volume of glass that's collected. And how it all started. Back in the day, we used to own an entertainment facility with a smash room, and in that smash room, we would see mountains of glass that would wind up every day, just probably about 2 feet tall, and we were throwing that in the dumpster, and we thought, wow, there's gotta be a better way to do something with this, something more responsible. We went down a couple rabbit holes and ended up investing in some crushing and sorting machinery, and decided to get rid of the entertainment side and focus solely on the glass side. We have a great team that we've developed along the way. I don't have any of their photos up here because I tried to steal them off Facebook, and that did not turn out well once I zoomed in. Our process is really simple. We collect glass right at Midland Recyclers, right on site. We have 2 small hammer mills that we crush the material in. The crushed glass is then mechanically separated into 4 grades. That's what we use for all of our products, are those 4 grades. From there, we turn it into products right on site. Our 3 out of 5 target markets right now that we're focusing on are industrial, pet, and filtration. Our retail is a little soft at the moment. We just put products online about a month ago. We are in local businesses, but we're not really considered production ready. We're missing a key piece of equipment, a filling machine. Right now we're packaging and weighing by hand, and that's not really considered production ready by the big box stores. Our competition is pretty light. Direct competition would be the big players, Strategic Material, Great Lakes Fusion. Indirect would be Tri-City Rental and Amazon, more of a local person for the sandblasting material. We've had some great partnerships we developed along the way, and that we continue to develop. They've helped with everything from research and development all the way up to actually procuring more material as we go. We're broke up into 3 phases for our timeline. We've completed phase 1, got our SDS out of the way, and about a year's worth of research. We're into phase 2, which we hope to have done by 2025, and that'll take us from our current 5-ton capacity per week to 70-ton capacity per week. And then when we hit phase 3, we should be able to do 175 tons per week. The finances, projections look pretty good over the next 3 years. It's a pretty untapped market and with infinite growth possibilities. We've already invested just over $31,000 of our own money into the project. Our ask is help completing phase 2. We're looking for $114,000 to get us through as fast as we can, so we're not dragging it out through the next year. And we have developed several products from glass collected in northern Michigan, and will continue to expand into underrepresented areas to develop and bring additional products to the market.